Welcome to Beanie Chef. She still hasn't knitted me a new hat, so I've had to nick the one from the little one, and I don't know how I've squeezed this on, but this soup's gonna be quick because I can't have this on for too long. So let's get to it. We're gonna do pumpkin soup. This is going to be a pumpkin soup, but you could use butternut squash. We've just grown this in the garden last year, so we've got this left over, so that's why we're going to show you this one. Principle is the same from all these soups. Prepare your vegetables how you want. I just literally top and tail and peel the sides off. Take your seeds out with a spoon. You don't want them in your pumpkin soup. I don't like them in there myself. I know some people do, but so we're going to just take those out. We're just going to roughly chop this. Doesn't have to be precise. It's all going to get boiled up and blitzed. So that all just goes literally straight into your pan. And then carrots, as long as they're washed, I don't peel them. They're just going to get roughly chopped as well, and they're going to go in there. Chop your sweet potato up. I always chop it a little bit smaller, and then that just straight in your saucepan again. And then I've got onion and garlic there, which is going to go in. Your split peas or red lentils, they're just going to go in as well. Fill that up with water, and we're going to put that on the stove to boil. You want to peel all the skin off these chorizos, and then once you've got all this skin off, you can just dice it however fine or chunky you like, and we're going to pan fry that a bit later to go in the soup. Once you've got everything on the stove, you want to fill the water level up so it's just above the veg, and then I add the stock in now. I add the cracked black pepper, but I don't add any salt at this moment in time because with the stock you don't know how salty they are, so I always make sure I blitz it up and taste it before I add any salt and more pepper, and I just leave that to simmer until everything's cooked, around about 20 minutes. Once it's blended, just if there's any scum like this, then just take that off with a ladle. And then this is the time just to test your seasoning. If you need a bit more pepper and salt, then this is the time to add some in. You could call this done now if you just want it plain, but for an added twist we're going to just add some chorizo to it. So get yourself a hot pan. We're just going to sizzle and let all the oil come out of this chorizo. Just want to get all that flavour out of the chorizo. As you can see, all that oil's come out, so I'm just going to take the soup, and so we make sure all that flavour stays in the soup, I'm going to pour the soup straight into there. Turn the heat right down and just give that a stir through and turn the heat off. That way you don't lose any flavour of that chorizo. And there you have it. Pumpkin soup with chorizo. Summer sizzler, winter warmer. You don't have to wait till Halloween to do a pumpkin soup. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you want us to do next. This hat's getting so tight, it's giving me a bigger headache than the missies. So, until next time, subscribe and enjoy.